What's up guys, the Tech Spot here, and I am back again. And take a look at the studio, but that is for a different video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Lastar lights. So there's a whole collection of them, and they're really cool. Now the first one is not this one right here, that's an off-brand hue bulb. But anyways, that's where I'm going to take a poop, but the setup for later. And over here is the first one that we're going to be looking at. This one, you can go fit in the palm of your hand. It's like a little orb, got a rubber footing on the bottom, tap on the power button, and it turns on. And I can also adjust the brightness by tapping on this button right here on the left of it. And it's super cool. It's an atmospheric light, so set it anywhere, and boom, it lights up. Gives a nice contrast to the place, and a whole new vibe. So anyways, you're also going to use this light to work on your car or anything like that. Just be creative and take a look at how well it lights it up. Super portable and nice. Now the second lamp is over here. Well, it's not the tube lights, but which one is it? Oh, this one right over here. Now this is probably my favorite one, and I'm be using it for the studio in my room as super portable. And look at this, it's got a nice little panel. You could adjust it however you want to whatever shape. It's super flexible. Now on the bottom you got the power button, and then you got the M to change the color temperature, and on top of that you got the brightness toggles. Now I'm going to turn it on, and you guys can see it lights up the place very nicely, so I can use this for videos, and I can also going to adjust the color temperature as well. Super cool. Adjust the brightness from here, have it to however you want. So super cool lights. I'm going to be using this a ton. Look how well it lights up the setup, and it also lights up Abu. So look at him, he's just chilling there, you know what he got. Alright, you can just adjust the color temperature too. Look at the different color temperatures right over here and how it changes. Super nice. So you could use that for videos, whatever you want, just doing homework. And I got a booth sitting over there, lit up while I'm playing Halo Infinite. Now, there are many more lights to this collection. So again, this is the biggest one that I showed you guys. There's a smaller one, there's a nightstand, and again, there's that orb for atmospheric lights. So here's the entire collection. This one has more of a gloss on top of it with the smaller one. And again, the nightstand one is super cool too. I'll be showing you guys all of them. And again, I already showed you guys some of the orb. So there it is. Now I got all of them right here. Let's go ahead and plug them in. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the biggest light again. So again, here are the controls. It's going to turn it on. You can tap on the M to change the color temperature, and again the plus or minus to increase or decrease the brightness. So it works really well. And this one right here has more of a glossy top, kind of gets fingerprints, and works perfect for a living room or any other space that you want to put it in, an office. And anyways, to tap on the middle button, that's a power button, and on the bottom, that's your brightness. And on the top, on the M, again, that's your color temperature as well. So I love these lights so much. Here's the nightstand one as well. So again, there's a power button right there. Tap on the M to change the color temperature. There's also a timer button. So once you tap on this, for 60 minutes, the light will remain on. And after 60 minutes, it'll turn off by itself. Now, there's also a slider right here. So go and adjust the brightness just like that too, just by a touch. So super cool. Now there's also a button to adjust the brightness as well over there. Also, there is a USB port on the back, so you're going to plug in a wire and charge your various devices. Now this does not have wireless charging, which was something that I had found I wish it did have. Although I do like plugging my phone in with the wire and being able to move around freely with my phone, but still, I think they could have also added in wireless charging. Now, here's what it looks like inside the office. A great ambient light for doing your homework or just any type of work. And here's that other orb light again. You can adjust the brightness from here as well. And again, it's more of an atmospheric light. As with all of these, they have different color temperatures. So if you don't like too white light, you can change that. Or if you don't like too yellow light, you can change that as well. If you don't like how it's bent, you could change that as well in whichever direction as you want. This entire thing is flexible. Now I'm going to turn this over here. This light off, this light on. And watch the color temperature change as I toggle between them. So you could have this used for videos and just get the exact cinematography that you want. That is me right there lit up. That's my brother and my sisters. And yeah, so it's a really cool light. You could use multiple to light up the setup or whatever you want. Or you could create a whole new Transformer or Decepticon, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I will be using these lights in the studio. I already used them just to get productivity done, but you can use them in the living room or just wherever you want for an ambiance. If you guys are interested, links will be down below in the description to these Lastar lights. Oh, and I will also be showing my setup and products in it in future videos, so stay tuned for that. This is Tech Spot, and thank you for watching. Peace.
Back.
And I'm going, and I'm going, and I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going.
And I'm smoking, and I'm smoking, and I'm smoking. And I'm toking, and I'm toking, and I'm toking. Yeah, I'm doing that a lot. Gotta get this new drop, gotta get it. gotta move in this desert.